I won't let them defeat us. We'll be fine, girl, I know I can lead us.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Petalisbless, and I'm coming on today with another glam DIY for you. But first, I wanted to share with you guys some supplies that I got in from Beebeecraft. Beebeecraft is one of the glam sites that I do get my glam from. So I'm going to share with you today what I ordered. Got some stencils with numbers, big and small. And then I got some letters, large and the small letters. And I got some green bling wrap. Doesn't the green look nice? And I got some glam chain in these three colors, green, pink, and silver. They look so nice. And I also got these chains here in silver and then with pearls. It looks really nice. I like the one with the pearls especially. So these are the items that I got, and I'll be doing some glam DIYs with them. And like I was saying before, Beebeecraft is an online site that you can purchase from. I'll leave the link below for everything that I purchased, and you guys can go check it out. And they also have a program for YouTubers with 100 or more subscribers that you can join their program and get free items to do reviews for them. Also do your DIY craft. Hey! And like I said, I'll leave the link down below. Alright everyone, here's the items that I am using for today's DIY. So we'll be using all these glam items here. Some crushed glass, some of the green stuff I got from Beebeecraft. Yes, we're doing green today. Yep, lots of colors. So today we're on to color green. So you know what time it is. It's time to grab your tea/coffee and a donut with that. And then let's get started. Alright, so we have this vase here that we are going to use to make our centerpiece. And we're going to be using the green glam chain along with the silver glam chain. And I'll be using some E6000. So we're just going to measure out the chain and glue them going up our vase. Now I am using the E6000. Like I tell everyone, you can use any adhesive that you would like for your crafting project. I'm using the E6000. So we're just going to place our chain going from the top down to the bottom. One silver, and I'll be placing one of the green chains, one on each side. So if this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome. Thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I have to share with you today. And I hope that you will hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another video to share. And to my oldies and goodies, welcome. Thank you guys for clicking on to see today's video. You know I really appreciate you guys. And hey, if you all loved today's video, I'd like it if you'd give me a thumbs up. Yeah, press that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. And now that one side is done, we're going to go to the other side of the vase and repeat the same steps with the silver chain in the middle and two green chains, one on each side. And I will continue this going right around the vase. And this is the finished look with our chains going right around the vase. I think it looks very nice. And now we're going to use a little smaller vase that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we are going to glam it out same way with the green bling wrap this time. I'll be using this green bling wrap, and I'll be using the silver chain again. So we're just going to use the E6000 and place it going down. Okay, we're going to do the same pattern as we did on the taller vase. So we're going to put the silver chain in the middle. And then we'll be using the strips of the bling wrap in green going down the side. Now this is the first time I'm using my bling wrap with E6000. I always use my hot glue, but I'm using the E6000. It's a first for me. And it's not bad. So we're just going to continue on to the other side with the same pattern going right around our little vase. Okay, now it's time to do our crushed glass, but I just wanted to share with you guys first that I added 2 more green strips to our design going all the way around. So you can see 2 green strips on each side. Before I had 1, and then I went back because it didn't look as nice to me. So I added another strip on each side. So it's 2 on each side instead of 1. So now we're going to use our crushed glass with our Mod Podge. And we are just going to spread our Mod Podge everywhere. You know, like I showed you in my last DIY. No, the one before this. The blue crushed glass I used the clear glue to put down the crushed glass pieces. If you'd like to use the glue, that's perfectly fine, the clear glue. I prefer using the Mod Podge, so that's what I'm using. But remember, for your craft, anything that's more comfortable for you to use, that's what you use. So we're just going to continue and place the crushed glass going all the way around our vase, and then we will set it aside to dry for a few hours. And now for our smaller vase, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to use the Mod Podge and the clear crushed glass and put it all over our small vase, which will be the bottom part of our tall vase that we're doing. Okay, now it's a few hours later and our vase is dry. This is just with 1 coat of the crushed glass. If you like it thicker, you can add another coat. I don't. I like it just like this, so I'm just going to use the Mod Podge and seal in the crushed glass. Yeah. And now I'm just going to use some silver glitter and just add a little bit, not too much, lightly sprinkle it over. I like adding the glitter. This step is optional. If you don't want to use the glitter, you don't have to, but I like adding that extra little glam, so I add the glitter to my crushed glass. And now we are going to do the same thing with the smaller vase. Yeah. Add the Mod Podge to help seal it in, and then add some glitter. Now I have this candle here. I'm going to add a little glam to it, spruce it up a bit to go with our vase. So I'll be using the green bling wrap and also the silver bling wrap. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue it going right around. And now we are going to glue the green bling wrap going right around the center of the silver bling wrap. And now it's time to add one of my favorite gems from Totally Dazzled. I love these gems. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue it down. Okay, now both vases are totally dry. Doesn't that look nice? I love the crushed glass and the green. So the bottom piece is dry, so I'm going to use some E6000 and some hot glue to hold it together right away. And just glue the 2 pieces together, just like this. And here is our finished look. I love how it turned out. It looks so glam with the green. See, it's nice to use color. OMG! It's absolutely beautiful with the green glam chain in the silver, and then the little green going around our 2 little candles. And these candles are for decor purposes only, not to burn. Can't burn them with that decor on them. So they're just for viewing purpose only. But here is our vase. Our vase looks super cute. And the top and the bottom has the glam chain and the crushed glass. I'm loving the green. And here it is with some lights inside. I put the push lights that you can get from any dollar store and placed in the bottom and some on the top. And here we go with the lights out for a nice cozy decor. It's a nice centerpiece, and it could also be placed anywhere within your home. Multi-purpose vase. And here we go with the flowers inside. Doesn't this look beautiful? A lovely wedding centerpiece. I think it looks absolutely beautiful, and the added touch with the lights. The lights look nice with the daylight, even with the lights on. The lights inside still give a nice effect. Or you could dim the lights a bit and you see the lights even more for as the evening winds down and everybody's cozy and eating. Isn't that beautiful? OMG. I love how it looks. And it's so nice with the green. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's Glam vase / wedding centerpiece decor. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I love the green. I love the Glam chain and the Glam Bling wrap. So give me your opinion and what you think of today's DIY. And if you're new here, I'd like to say welcome once again, and I do hope you hit that subscribe button and become part of the Glamster team. And don't forget to ring the bell twice so you will be notified every time I upload another DIY. And if you liked today's video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Press that like button. And to my oldies and my goodies, thank you, Glamsters. You know I really appreciate you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.